Okay, let's use our two different loops here to count down as well as up. So I'm going to say step minus 2, but in this case what I'll need to do is I'll need to say for I is assigned the value of 10, and I'll say 2, 0, because what I'm going to do is when I get to next I'm going to subtract 2 from 10 each time, and my terminating condition here will be 0. In this case I'll say while x, let's start x at 10, and I'll say while x is greater than or equal to 0, print out the value of x, but then what we'll do is we'll modify it and we'll say x equals x minus 1. So I'll count down in 1 here. So here, see if you can guess what this is going to do. Here I'm going to count down, I'm going to start at 10 to 0, terminating condition. I'm going to count down in 2's, and here I will count down by subtracting 1 from the value of x each time, and assigning this operation, the results of this operation will be assigned to the variable x. So we'll reduce it. So I'm going to just let us run, and here we go. This counting down 2's and this counting down here in 1's. Let's give ourselves a number, dim x enter. I'm going to set it 0, and I'm going to say here I'm going to say while x is not, I use greater than less than sign there like this, while it's not minus 1, I'm going to say a message console.writeLine, enter a number, and I'm going to say console.writeLine, enter minus 1 to terminate. And then I'll come over here and I will just x is assigned the value, x is assigned the value of console.readline, so whatever I read, and then I'm going to print that value. Oops. Print that value here, console.writeLine, and say x, and then after we type in minus 1, we'll just send a message saying that it has terminated. Console.writeLine program is terminated. Okay, so let's try this. So we'll enter number 5, prints the number 5, we'll enter number 6, prints number 6, 7 prints number 7, and we wish to terminate, so we type in minus 1, and this program is terminated, and now it's finished. And that's how you can use a while loop with a particular condition to run a program, call a number of functions or routines, but allowing the user to type in a particular number or to indicate that they're finished with the program. So you can use this as a menu system. And I'm going to stop that now.